Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amanuel from Gardulla Peoples Development Association, which is found in southern Ethiopia, and we are one of the partners in the global bean network. We grow legumes, different types of legumes in our garden for feeding and nitrogen fixing purpose for rest of sorghum and other vegetables. So in our garden we have more than 10 varieties of beans. They are beautiful and much tasty. As you see, the right time to collect those beans from our garden. Most of the beans in our garden are already collected. For example, we can see this one, which is harvested very soon, and I think it is getting dry and yeah, much beautiful. This one is, I think, very black one and red. The big one, faba bean, other legumes are available in our garden. They are important crops in our garden and they help the vegetables, the crops, and even some of them are eatable easily. Without cooking them, you can eat. And we are also happy to be part of this global bean network.